What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I gave y'all Bugs versus Martian. I gave y'all YE Coyote versus the Road Runner. So it's only right that I brought y'all Sylvester versus Tweety. I mean, we know Space Jam been going crazy with the marketing, man. What's up, Bron?
That's what I'm talking about.
Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So Space Jam killed Black Widow at the movie theater. Shout out to Braun, man, becoming a billionaire, all that good stuff. But we got too many of these doggone Looney Tune verses, in my opinion. The Road Runner versus the YE Coyote is still my favorite. The Bugs Bunny one should have been done better. It should have had a better packaging. Still a clean shoe. I love the Nike React. I love that the Lebrons don't look bulky like regular Lebrons. But today we have the Sylvester versus Tweety joints. And I know I said that YE Coyote versus Road Runner is like our Tom and Jerry of the Looney Tunes. But Tweety and Sylvester been going at it for a couple of years too, man. So yeah, it comes in your regular, not regular, the same box we received in the other two. In my opinion, I feel like the character should have been on the box, but they did do a lot to represent the character in their own characterizations. So enough talking. Let's get into it. Unboxing time. Boom. And just like your Bugs Bunny versus Marvin the Martian joints, the colors are the same. The only one that changed was the Road Runner and the YE Coyote. That's why it's still my favorite verses out of all of these. So let's start with the left shoe. Yes, sir. So on your left shoe, you have all gray netting mesh material with hints of black, yellow, and red. This sneaker here is probably the more wearable shoe, as it ain't doing too much and it's like just very basic in colors. So I give a nod to that. On the air bubble, which is in your nice red look, that is a different change from the rest of the verses. It reads one of Sylvester's quotes. I can't really quote it, but it's something like "Sarah such a dash," something like that. He always says, and you have that in the bubble there. Something I didn't point out: all the writing looks like Lebron writing. As you know, Lebron always writes on his sneakers before the game, and that does look like LeBron's writing. I didn't point that out in neither of the other videos, but I think that. Around the top of the air bubble, you have like scratches and you want to say like paintbrush hits, and that goes all the way around. I would say the LeBron James King logo is dope on these. I still would go with the Road Runner because the Road Runner had the the running clouds, but I do like the way they did this LeBron King logo here. As you can see here, it looks like glitter specks. That's dope. Definitely different for the shoe. They go your embroidered Nike logo there. Yeah, it's definitely glittering. Your Nike logo's embedded right there. Nike swoosh. And those paint scratches or whatever that is, ink, we would say, it's all the way around. I love the red swoosh here. It's in like a nubuck material. And I don't know what that is, but it looks like a crying eye. And if you know what that is in the comment section below, let me know what that is. Got your yellow hits around the shoelaces. And the same Toon Squad color on the tongue that we received on previous models. The back of the tongue has Sylvester claws, as he always trying to get Tweety with. And yeah, basically that's the left shoe. Another thing I didn't point out in the previous reviews, because it's kind of very hard to see, but right here you have LeBron's logo, LeBron's signature. It's very hard to see. But right there in that insole you have LeBron's signature. The bottom, orange with the LBJ logo in the middle. Now, as far as the right side, I'm assuming this is the Tweety side. And on the air bubble there it say, I thought I saw a pooty cat. If you're a Tweety fan, you know that's his famous catchphrase. From the inside here you have your Nike React logo in orange as it complements the bottom of the sneaker. Nothing changed as far as the top. Not even a LeBron logo, that stays the same. Only the quote on the air bubble is different. And the tongue has your beloved Tweety. Now this is the first time the tongue has the all color of the character. You would think Bugs would get that, but Tweety got it. I guess because he's so small. If you would have just put a small picture of him here, it probably wouldn't have looked as big as the regular characters. The insole here has the Toon Squad colors with the Tweety bird in there. And the Sylvesters have the same color with him actually wearing the Toon Squad uniform. Now, in my opinion, these ones here are the easiest to rock. Black jeans, gray sweats, whatever. These will go down. But man, the Hawaii Coyote versus Roadrunner joints is still my favorite. In the comment section below, let me know which ones y'all like the best. I was in belief that Roadrunner was more popular than Hawaii Coyote. Shouts to y'all commenting under that video telling me, nah, people like Hawaii Coyote better. I never knew. So I'm going to go on a limb and say Tweety is my favorite character out of Sylvester. But I don't know. Some of y'all might like Sylvester. Let me know in that comment section below, man. So yeah, quick review on another Space Jam LeBron collab. These ones here not bad. So I will put these in my number 2. I would definitely put these over the Bugs Bunny and Marvin the Martian. I can't believe I'm saying that. I think they should have did a little better for Bugs Bunny, man. But the Roadrunner Hawaii Coyote is still number 1 for me. Let me know how y'all feel about that. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.